Hi wholesalers, today we're going to do a quick video on some banner finishing, especially on the corners, just to review some of the products that we have available if you guys aren't using them already. What we have are the power banner tabs. So these are a plastic reinforcement for the corner that you can use. They come in clear and white. They come in a mini version and they come in a bigger version that's going to cover more area, and it also is going to have a tab for rope. And I'll show you those real quick here. So the larger ones you can put on the corner. Once you've got it on there, you've got a little loop here. They can run the rope through. So you can either use that or you can grommet through this. So with these bigger ones, you have two different options. You can run the rope through this or through these, depending on what works best. Again, these come in white and they come in a clear also. So the clear ones, same thing. You can put them on the corners. And that's just showing the difference between the white and the clear right there. It's just preference. If you're doing white banners, the white ones look pretty good. If not, color, the clear ones look better. So two other different options that you can use for corners also is using the banner tabs and reinforcing it with an extra piece of scrap media that you trim off of the edge. What you can do is put the banner tab on the front, and then you just stick this on the back side of it and sandwich it. That way you've got an extra layer of media that you can grommet through, and it's going to reinforce it that much more for the corner. So once you grommet through, you basically got 3 layers that it has to reinforce it. The other option you can do is that if it's going outdoors but it doesn't need to have that much strength, you can actually just trim these and you can get 2 out of 1. So you can cut these right down the middle, and it also makes the face of the print look better because you don't have the plastic on it. So you can just stick these in the corner. It's still going to give it some reinforcement, but it's going to be a clean front. It helps if you just find the hole, kind of push it with your finger. You'll see the indentation, and then you just grommet through it. So you get a clean edge like this, but you'll still have the reinforcement on the backside.